So if you're watching this video, you've probably heard about how with Webflow, you can simply export the code and host it wherever you want, saving a whole bunch of money in the process, right? That would mean you get all the benefits of Webflow without, well, the one downside of Webflow pretty much, which is its sky-high hosting costs. Well, that is totally right, and yes, you can export your Webflow code, but I would not recommend it, and I'm gonna tell you why right now. First things first, what even is Webflow? And if you're watching this video, I know you probably know what Webflow is, but for the context of this video, I want to explain it anyways. According to their marketing team, they're a website experience platform. But according to me, it is just an all-in-one place where you can do everything you need to do for your website. You can build a website, you can host your website, it's gonna stay secure, you have a content management system, you have forms, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And the thing is, that's what everybody loves about Webflow. It is everything you need under one simple and cohesive roof. So can you export code with Webflow? Absolutely. With just a few clicks, you can export your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from Webflow and then take it anywhere you want. And some of those other hosts, you can get your website live and hosted for as little as $2 a month. And considering Webflow's cheapest plan is $18 a month, those are some pretty good savings. But I'm here to tell you why you should not export your code from Webflow. The thing is, Webflow generates some relatively clean code, so why wouldn't you export it? Well, the answer in that goes down to what we talked about, which is what Webflow is. Webflow is an all-in-one solution to building and hosting your website. Like I said, you get a whole bunch of things like the forms and like the CMS, and like the builder, which makes Webflow so attractive in the first place. And the thing is, when you export your code, you lose all of that. Not because Webflow is greedy or because Webflow is trying to keep those things from you unless you pay, but simply because when you export your code, you are leaving the Webflow platform. And when you leave the Webflow platform, you are leaving behind all the benefits of the Webflow platform as well. So what you're left with is just some code which you can host wherever you want. So even if you do not need the CMS or the forms or anything like that, you just want to be able to get the speed benefits of building in Webflow, when you export your site, you are no longer going to be able to edit it in Webflow. From now on, you're going to have to edit that website with code. Now, there is technically a way to keep your site in Webflow, make edits, re-export it, and then re-upload all of that code. But honestly, at that point, it's just time consuming, and why even bother with Webflow then? So is there any reason to export Webflow code, or is it just a useless feature? I'm gonna say, while there is, I haven't really run into it. And what that is if you're trying to build a website that you basically just wanna build once, get it live, and then not touch it, not update it, not do anything, it has no dynamic content, then there may be a case because you can just build it in Webflow, export it, host it elsewhere, leave it, and never touch it again. That being said, I've been a web developer for almost 10 years, and I have pretty much never had a project like that come across my desk. The very nature of websites is that they are made to be a dynamic source for information for businesses. And if you're just making it once, putting it live and never touching it, well, your website's probably gonna become kind of useless in maximum maybe 1 or 2 years. That being said, I know those types of projects exist, so if something like that does come across your desk, then disregard what I just said, build it in Webflow and host it elsewhere. But for the most part, you're gonna build in Webflow, you're gonna host in Webflow, and even though the costs may seem high, the benefits that you're getting from it, in my opinion, are almost always well worth it. So I didn't want to end this video without giving you a good recommendation. If you want the benefits of Webflow, but you do not want to pay the high hosting costs, my recommendation for you is to actually use Bricks Builder with WordPress. Now, I'm a huge fan of both Webflow and of WordPress with Bricks Builder. That being said, there are some benefits of Webflow that you don't get with Bricks Builder, and you can pay hosting wherever you want, which means, again, you can get that sweet $2 to $4 a month hosting plan on your WordPress site, which you cannot do with Webflow. If you're interested in that, we have another video comparing Webflow to Bricks Builder, so go ahead and take a look in the description to click that video. I will see you in the next one, and have a great day.